I'll break down how to use Discord, including how to navigate its channels, connect external gaming consoles, and start your very own community from scratch. If you're ready to master this app, hit that like button. Let's get started. If you're joining a gaming group, a study community, or an online club, someone has probably told you, hey, join our Discord. We'll cover how to navigate the confusing dashboard of random text walls, voice rooms, and sidebars. First, what is Discord? Discord is a free voice, video, and text communication platform built around private, invite-only communities called servers. Unlike traditional social media, there is no public algorithmic feed. Everything happens inside localized spaces. To set up your account, head to a desktop web browser at discord.com, download the official desktop client app, or grab the mobile app from your app store. Hit the Register button. Input your primary email address, choose a secure password, enter your birthday, and complete the quick antibot puzzle to launch your profile and claim your unique username. Your account is created, and you are set to explore your very first server. Before jumping into chats, you need to establish your digital identity by customizing your Discord user profile. From the Settings sidebar, select Profiles. Your user profile is your central digital identity card across all of Discord. Inside this portal, you can change your display name, upload a custom profile picture called an avatar, write an About Me bio, and even pick custom theme colors or animated borders to make your profile stand out when people click your name. When you look at your main dashboard layout, it is split into a few key zones. On the far left strip, you will see a column of round icons. These are your servers. Clicking on a server icon opens its internal directories directly to its right, which are called channels. Channels are strictly split into two functional formats. Text channels, which are chat boards denoted by a hashtag symbol, where members send messages, post links, share photos, drop threads, and use emojis. This operates like an ongoing digital bulletin board. Voice channels, which are open MIC rooms denoted by a speaker symbol, where you instantly connect to active audio and video calls just by clicking the channel name. Unlike a phone call, there is no ringing or waiting for someone to pick up. The moment you click it, you are instantly live with anyone else sitting in that room. To leave, just click the phone icon with an X at the bottom to disconnect. To join a server, simply click an invite link sent to you by a friend, or tap the compass icon at the very bottom of your left-hand server stack to open the public server discovery directory, where you can search for communities based on gaming, music, or education. To create a server, scroll to the bottom of your server stack on the left side and click the large plus icon. Select Create My Own or choose a pre-made template like Gaming or Study Group. Discord will instantaneously generate a clean, automated home base, complete with text and voice channels that you can invite your friends into immediately. Now you can fluidly navigate channels, stream your screen, link your gaming consoles, and manage your servers like an absolute pro. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.